Yeah, man. Live and direct. See, for the first year, watch the channel there. Let me look at that and tell you how to go out. Alright. Burn it down to the ground. Let's go.
First time you're watching this video, subscribe, hit the notification button. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.
If I was a chopper, make a lot of money. If I was a chopper and make a lot of money, I woulda invest my money, no girl can done me. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, I woulda invest money and I make nobody done me. It's time to change up the mentality. It's more than that what we see. This country run by overseas. We want a good life, the rich life. Me and my friend them for rich life. Masamusa, like Masamusa. And this is life. We want live the sweetest life. Jump off in the pool now. When I'm play the fool now. And everything cool now. Listen me keenly. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, I woulda invest the money and not make nobody done it. Yeah. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, I woulda invest money and not make nobody done it. Yeah, you. Be wise now in this time. Be wise now in this time. Be wise now in this time. Gotta be wise now in this time. I used to have a lot of money in these hands, and I don't know where it ends. But if I ever get some money back in this hand, my lesson now already learned. I get a lot of money in these hands, and I don't know where it ends. But if I ever get back some money in this hand, my lesson already learned. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, would I invest it and make nobody never done it. But everything good though, life is sunny. Bunny down to the ground, bunny down to the ground. Yeah, ladies, yeah.
Yeah, me not Kayla, you're my daughter, you know. I'm here try my best, right? You can't compare me with your friend them people. Yeah, you see your friend I go this, so your friend I go that, but them boyfriend and chopper. Me I no chopper. Right? So me there I try do some work to try deal with the matter. You're my daughter. You know, say I bring you come here. So I put in some work to make this better for you. Cause if I was a chopper, I would have never broke, you know. I would have invest the money. Any money coming at them and I be an investment. All you don't have to think about no more nursing or nothing at all. You just have money to live straight through your life. You not have money you can spend off. As some would have did investment. Let me see $1 in my hand and see where I go on. Anyway, I work my day, you know, I just take a 5. Hope say you clean out the house, you know. Because I know you love long in a bed. You know, your daughter just called me a while ago, you know. And I be a comparison of what who do for who and what who can do for who. Listen now. You need to step up in your daughter life, you know. Everything can depend on me, you know. Because for you find out that I not really rich. Just left the picnic and gone. No love, no wagwan. Now, me raise her, she reach the age and now whereby she can push up on her own, but she said she want to go college. She want to nursery. So, what you get? Yes, I told you that I have mansions and many things and this and that, and you find out I didn't have it, so you run off. Yes, so what? The baby come, so yeah. So I just them things that when Lincoln final first place. If we did lucky, I would have get all of them things there, girl. Because I have potential if you have all of them things there. 17 years pass. 17 years pass. See there? And you try to left a piece of sadness for me. Anyway, everything good though. Everything good. Since you now know everything good, come from phone. It's a workless mama.
Daddy.
Yeah, what going on?
Oh God, Mr. Daddy. Internet be wrong.
Yeah man, I sight it come. I'm phone, I just took up a while ago and I check it, you know. Come put on my working clothes and say, I do work me I go pan. With the foreign I build up a shop already, part I paint out, so inside now if I get the next money.
Oh.
The first money spend half.
I go through and make something. I remember someone go back to school.
Yes man. It's a chain of event I work me have in a line so. So you say how much you say for the school term?
1 million.
Well, a nurse you want to become, you know, I give you back your money after a while. Yeah man, know yourself. So, but me not pay all my money one time.
No man, you can't pay no for it.
Alright, so I just that. So this a work here, I have a piece of money for them. Don't know pay me about next work line up, so know yourself man.
Okay, so make sure you know.
Yeah man, know yourself. So, me forget the money off of them this evening. You know, say they said to come in this morning, I'll get you 10 grand. And the Wi-Fi about 7 grand. So
Yes.
me pay the Wi-Fi and buy
Pay the
some
Wi-Fi
groceries.
bill and buy some.
Yeah man, so
How much money did I get for them again?
me I get for this 700,000 for the shop. But they have one difference of me do have $1 million policy there. So I know say work them like that.
Daddy, what long I think you say? You collect 10 grand.
Oh, I collect 10 grand today off of them.
And you pay the internet bill.
Yeah.
You have 7 grand.
Yeah, and take the next 3, buy something for you and me. Eat. Meat in the fridge, you know. Looking at the fridge, I buy meat last night, 3 days sleep on my forward. Meat in the fridge. Right? So you can cook. You know, say you love a chicken. The chicken, take out chicken, put in the sauce. You can tie it out, you can chop it up, you can jerk it, you can fry it, you can curry it, you can stew it down, you can open at the oven, you can bake it, anything you want to do with it.
So Daddy,
Be creative.
members say at 2025 we in now, you know.
Yeah.
Treat us like younger market.
Me know say you cannot go there, but what
But
you
you
know?
cannot buy anything.
Remember say you know, when you suffer, you know, you have to make these work. So when I step in the supermarket and I go spend 3 grand, remember say I come out 6 grand worth of stuff. Cause me I come so I carry me I put 2 things in my pocket same way. They not gonna watch me cause me I spend and me I brave up and step up with them. Then me I pack up things and my big pants me I wear good on there. Don't worry yourself man. When everything grab some secret pocket, me I drop canned beef. Every little thing we like, me I drop a little snacks then me I drop them in my pocket and then me just spend on 3 grand and go through. You understand? So first when me I go in there, me I pack up myself first. I pack some bag up, make my things look. Make my shirt look. So I say, look, pan the camera if I try assault me, because I'm so now, you know, because I make myself look. So, that means I come just drop the bag them in there and pack up back myself. It's really good. Step out. So, what they say now to me, I'll be a last week at them. Last out. They make you go through. My plan out, not really thief. It's taken without pay for it. Till they have money, you can reimburse them. One idea, then go just wake up and someone just jump on and counter so. But we don't have the money now, so we have to take it. We have to survive. That is the key. Survival is the key.
I think you have to collect 10 grand alone to see if you can collect 20.
No, that me did tell them, but then say based upon where them there. All that alone is smart. There, but it's smart if you come with the money, I come down, because the money can't come to a anywhere very big. So just right. Fly down by next week. So by next week your money reach.
Okay then.
Yeah man, so give me a 10 grand man, I can balance up my fear. That me tell them, because I can't tell about the business, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So don't worry yourself man, I have a look at things in my account, you know. But I not go to those yet. That'll be last resort. You understand? Because when they're there on the college and you're boarding up there, post one day you call and say this and that. And you want your gas done, because you have to go cook up there, you know. Yeah, me also have people go to college, so I know you have to cook the day for buy your local snack. So I have to have the money there on the account first.
Yeah.
If you know said that a backup money. I just go down a bank, I go down there, they take a card, I put a limit on it, they say you can take a look at it, I know I take it all like one time. Because they keep party on the dam, I know you love party.
Yes.
You think I don't see you, I painted, I go on with yourself, but you're my daughter, enjoy yourself. Because back in my time, you know, at the Bella Foot, you know, me I do the dance, and me I do the butterfly, me I do the whole of them, and I enjoy myself. Be careful though.
Yeah.
I have too much fun.
Yeah.
Alright.
But I gotta help you.
People giving you work. Do you expect? Miss Lexi Long hair. Look good, girl. From your house right now. What's your name? At first, I see you on a friend of Jody.
I'm gonna come from here.
Oh, you're not from here? You look good though. You have a star there for your face. Look like you're a star now. Yeah, Rasta for your part. That's all work I do now. I'm not eyeglass, you know, but I just like you. So me, somebody pay me money to fix up one local place. And I'm working close. No, we don't come from here, so man. We come from the grill.
Oh.
Yeah, man. But I want to work again. I trade, man. So I'm dirty clothes. I'm working clothes, you know. You see it?
So me there wait for somebody still. Me just collect something and then wait for somebody.
Why you look good now? We don't like to see you again, but we can talk and I'm getting our work done.
I'm going to do work, man. I'm there for you while I wait for somebody.
I'll write my number for a piece of something so you can call me and sit down and talk.
Alright.
You look like you're single. You know matter if you're single or not, still, I still want you. Yeah? I'll write my number. I search, sometimes it takes so long. I search on to find one paper for write the pen. So all this alone I could have find. See number right there, so there, you see it? Just call me mate talk, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
Take lang from the when I used to work. Come on.
Go on. Yeah, man. See, man, the partition I put in and all them up. Partition. They want to have a room or just so you can go do anything you want. Privacy. A privacy bar, you know. Suppose you come here and your boyfriend come here and you drink and you feel like you don't want to talk. When I came out, I want to talk about. You have a room and so. You pay one little fee, you go around, run around comfortable, one nice and safety, relax. Like a VIP then. Like a VIP section, you probably have to pay your money to go in there. And they go have AC, then say. So that's it. So they go put an AC in there, so I'm just fix up with them and they can see it.
Oh!
Yeah.
Well, every time I go to no party, I wait until I go home, I talk.
Yeah, man, no, it's not. Hello. I tell you because you're getting big, so I'm telling you what it's about, but not you not to be here.
Oh, but you have to when me and Millie come.
No, I'm not mean you. I mean anybody come to bar. You're not coming to bar. You're going to church, then you're going to go do your college thing, come be a nurse, take care of people, alright.
Alright.
That's your job. That's how the people want for you. Yeah, alright. Yeah, you cook the chicken?
Yeah, I cook chicken.
Alright. Yeah,
me just have one wife. Alright.
man, I'm a good man. You here for your man?
No.
Oh.
You're here for now. We have to go call her.
She alright, you know. Alright, come in. You tell her, say you want to go nursing. And she said, why you want to go nursing? Why you not go to work? He said, no, my daughter need what she need? So she need a start. So if you not help her, nobody give me no problem and give me no chat. Like him I said, you're not good enough to turn nurse. You say I'm a switch man.
Sometimes you don't pay me mind and mommy head not so righteous.
So you need to and I go club, you know, so maybe I go show on your turn, but anyway.
Might be that. But anyways, me have to go here.
Later.
You know, mommy? I'm here, you're down to feel people.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, boy, you good?
Yeah, what I say, go from?
Yeah.
Why, we try to go there, man. Nobody?
I just lied.
Time they still make me think about, you see me? You make me think about it, like that girl still. Because your vibe is good, you see me? Yeah, you could work out a little thing.
No. My head doesn't right now. I look for somebody who can help my father with the tuition for go to college.
So, yeah,
and I 1 million. No, that's a different thing. That was in the holidays. That's summer, you know, me a party, that a painting, me go for party. I never go unwind upon you and say, check me the next day, I go and give you my number, we're going to start a relationship. I never tell you that. It was just a wine. What happened that night, stay to that night. Okay?
Can't think about it.
No man, the only way I think about it is if you have money. If you not talk money, you can't work. If you have money, me I say, money me I talk about. If you have money.
I'm going to tell you line, I don't have money yet, but you get money.
Sometimes I say, what you do for yourself? What kind of work you do?
I hustle. That's what I do.
Yeah, what?
Hustler.
Yeah, hustler.
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 We hustle things.
We hustle.
We do sell and buy. We do buy
Oh.
and sell.
Well, I don't want a hustler. But a strong, hard working man. Go
So
get a work
that's
on the
right,
no. Go look at work on the side or something. Yeah, like walk on with them something there. Where you think I go with that?
That's the thing. When I go out bush, when I go out bush and I see something I want to sell, I cut it and sell it.
You mean your teeth it?
No, listen, I don't thief.
So you didn't?
I took it and I go to the market and I sell it for a reasonable price. So I sell and buy and I buy and I sell.
Your name again?
Xavier.
Okay, Xavier. It was nice to see you, nice to see you again. But as I said, get a work. If you're really serious about me and you, we get a work. You have a house, can't flip it. I don't want woman and have nowhere to put me.
No, I mean I want to look for something on this stuff. On my yard. It can't work. I want bed but you can't share.
Okay, anyway, so just properly fix up your business and just give me a link or when me a walk back. But for now, you're at a state where I don't want it because I know nobody worse than me. No. You understand me I say?
Alright, that's it.
Yeah, so
Big
just,
myself.
yeah man, so just, it was nice seeing you again. Just work on your business, work on it, yeah, hustle to get a work, yeah?
Alright.
I want you to go and start back again. Get up man, get up man.
We just have one hustle, man.
Me jeez, I'm thinking I get up and go look at work now. Oh my God, you don't want nobody.
Yeah, walk on. Yeah, man, I'm at the place, man. Every day I look for one car. Yeah, man, me I try. You see one look at AD wagon and I'm ready to sell it. You know, no engine in night or nothing do. Yeah, man. But remember, say, I have a daughter, you know. So when she go, she plan to go to college and things. Since she got college, she got college no more, and so I can drive up, go pay a jar. You understand? And then, you know, so the time I see that car, I say, I'm going to hold it. You know, look too bad still. So the person give me a good price on it. You understand? Yeah, yeah, about the work now. Me the last time I sit down I'm a map out here. You see, you want 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, right? No, 2 bathroom. You want 1 bathroom in each of the room them. Then a kitchen and a hall and a veranda. Alright, so that go run you. Give me one 4 million. That's for workmanship. Me work out material differently. Because I go give you top style. I don't give the old style, I give the new style. Yeah, man. Show we land and anything there. Because of you know. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. You know what? Give me 5. Because I don't want the money cut short. End of the day. Because I'm alone go work, you know. You have to get plumber, you have to get the electrician, you have to get everybody to put in their work and you have to care see. I don't give no building no go jack down in a 2-day time or 2-year time, you know. I give a life lasting so. Come back later and tell me where you confirm. Because I work ready for work, you know. I want to look shop where I work on, like my work on tomorrow. But just link me back and we kick off the work. I know say you have your money, man. You have your house. Calm down, no, man. Alright, we do that. Alright.
How long me look for you? No want to work to build the house.
Yeah, man, but you know what? From what day, we tie up with work. I tell you. But right
You
now,
can at least give me 1 week or so.
No,
me
I'm
need
ready.
it to get done at least by next week, please. Me beg you.
yeah, man, I can't come deal with it. No, that me tell us I'm done with the work for me out there now.
You don't
So, yeah, so.
no, by the time you out, you know.
No, man. So by later, I call link you. A small me collect a piece of money from and I go, man. Now. But me go link you by later in the night. And then we work out. A 2 bedroom, I say the one.
Yeah.
No worry yourself.
No, but I have to call on the phone.
No,
you know?
man, no, man. Because while my phone nobody at work, when I try to call me still.
Alright, I'm going to go on the road, you know, so we talk.
Man, I take you away.
Alright.
Later. Kayla. Here what? That's how money I come collect, man, and things. So, what I want you to do you now, I want you to organize up something around there for cooking now. You watch up the plate them already? You're loving a bed from early, you know. Yeah, man, I come around there because I forgot to work today, you know. I'm going to come on the road a while ago. Alright, I forward, road. What's up, you know?
Sir.
I threw me a hurry, you know, man. Threw me a hurry. Oh, God. That look the thing say you walk a come. What is your name? Leah. Alright. But I lose the whole of this. You know, 2,000 here for yourself. Alright, you can buy and look at things for yourself. Thanks, yeah?
I said, man.
I was sharing it
I'm gonna chips there.
Tell her I said cheerleading shit is this like. Eh?
Banana chips.
You want banana chips? Thank you. I got cheerleading shoes.
Ayan mo gasap.
I wanna them there.
With me look sir. You could have never come with me look
Because
sir.
I got one of them.
You talk local.
Got my chips on here. Yeah. One, two,
Oh, go on, look, cuz.
yeah.
How are you there, sir?
My only is accounting money.
How you get so much money from?
Oh, you see the restaurant up there, so. And we got put money down there, so. And we go take care of, and then, you know, $2,000 out and go spend. I'm not spending all like this.
So you have more money? You have more money?
Yeah. Yeah, whole heap of money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright then, later, put up the money here.
No. Just spend it.
Jesus.
Finally, you know. Look like rain go fast. Come on, go fast. Yeah man, come inside man. I know the mansion yet, you know, we have the house a bill. You know.
Hey, hello, Olivia.
No man, me have a daughter. I'm short time we can meet her so.
Look like I hello, Olivia do.
Yeah man, I'm alone as I'm a single man, you know.
I can see.
Yeah, but my daughter live in a room and so. Kayla! I want to have somebody here for you to meet. Come. Come in my room, I have somebody for you meet. She look like neat.
Hello.
Yes. My daughter, Kayla.
Yes, sir.
This is a special friend of mine. We not put no label on it, I don't like red label, but special friend, you know, of mine.
Your friend.
Yeah.
Tell me if I met your friend before.
No, no, to say I meet her now. She's my special friend, like how your mom was my special friend, and then you came into the world. Right? So friends and friends do things and bring forth things. Yeah, so as she may talk to most of the time when I laugh, you wonder if I'm mad, and I'm mad. Now you see the reason for your papa laughing and smiling and jumping around the house, you like, yeah.
Oh, so you're a woman, that's what you're trying to say?
Yes, I'm a woman friend. Yeah.
Is a female woman where you will do things with ice cream?
No, you are my child, and you know, I'm here, you know, what's one of them conversation.
But no, two years ago, boy, I'm not
No, listen. We're not labeling anything. She's a friend and your father friend. In the future, if you anything if you go on, you will figure it out.
Nice to meet you, my father friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if she there here, you look after her.
Oh.
Treat her like you treat your papa.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I good.
Daddy,
Yeah.
not to income or to shame you. Pay the internet bill.
You know, say from one day I try figure it out and I go down to the place. I mean, have a customer, them say, unfortunately, when I give them a big money or that they want money big, them put it on one next account and make mistake and then can get it back off and I have to go head office. And so know yourself, me and them are going to start it out. If you see I on the news, I fist two of them down there, you know, say because they get me mad. But internet a come.
Yes, remember.
But I know you have your books them for your studies and tell the people them say the money soon come.
Okay, come make me ask.
Cause a lot of checking and it's now when I check the check does a bounce around the place. So know yourself, this will settle it down.
Daddy, you're sure it's enough for use technology?
Yes.
When you know that you are large checking and nothing, you carry check to the bank.
Oh. Yeah, we figure it out though. Don't worry about it. Don't worry your look your brain about it. Daddy have it handled. But
Daddy, you're sure it's a lie? You're sure it's a lie again?
no, your father not tell lie.
Okay then, I'm back in my room.
Alright, go back in your room.
Yeah.
Alright.
Remember to pay the Wi-Fi bill and the check for the bank.
Yeah man, no worries. She want to become a nurse, you know. Yeah man. She want to become a nurse. So me I work on that case there. I saw I love our youths them and just everybody alright, you know?
She prime girl.
Yeah man. I know what the year is 2025 she say. She in the new year. The new era.
She need the internet bill for comfortable.
Yeah man, no the internet go pay. Remember say tell me say you want to change, you know, so many have enough cash for that. I just make you feel cut out of it. You see it? So don't worry yourself man. Don't worry about she good. Every time she have internet, she don't know what to do with it. She have internet will pile up and internet will disappear. Don't worry about that. So you could do it differently.
Yes man, me there so me I come check in to see where you live and
Yeah man, but this is not really my real house, you know. This is just a house where we chill out and just survive. We have the mansion I build up on top of the hill. Let's go up and now let's look up there. The biggest house on the hill
so
up
this
there.
is your ends.
This is like the ends.
So we bring me for your ends. So you didn't
No,
bring
because
your
the mansion not finished yet. You build up but you know finish if you rent that if you not you know it's start build. So you know so there's a future planning. So now we're there so survive it. So
You
time
understand, man?
yeah man. So I just tap me up and now we just try to get that so
So you no work today?
no you know.
You finish up a place?
That one they finish. But it's all for touch up to do tonight. But me have a next work coming up on now. So me have to take we can't work every day and kill out yourself, you know. You know, them say if you work every day and without fun, you become a dull boy. You know? So you have to play some of the time. So we are friends, so rain and fall.
Yeah, that Mr. Rain come catch
Yeah,
me.
so when the rain fall, you
You
know.
just start do from where I come member from where the start from this time.
Yeah, man. Fall, rain fall. You feel good when rain fall, not true?
Yeah man, because time hot man, if someone come in there time hot man we need it for rain. Our time now about 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock sun no normal.
Yeah,
Or 1
man.
o'clock, then the time they sun no normal, it's well hot.
Well hot.
It's well hot.
And you're
So
well
me
hot
time
too,
I
you know?
feel for rain.
Yeah, man, because you're well hot too. You want cool down.
And hot and dangerous something.
Yeah, man. The place is burn down.
That's feel for rain man. So you not cook no food today?
Yeah, man, food a cook, man. And you want to cook? You want to cook?
Tell me they're not in the mood right now.
But it's a mood cooker.
Yeah.
Make yourself at home. I go look where you want to cook. My home for your home. My bed for your bed. Gela, come out here then.
Oh God. Hot now, Daddy.
Sit down. I don't understand. I told you that the internet will come. And you see with my friend Aya, do up all these things. You want your papa look bad? You're not happy for your papa.
No one of them happy for you, but are your friend?
Yes, but your friend must not know everything about you. Someone when she die, you know, tell her my business.
No, that you not tell her your business.
Yeah.
Not when you tell her
So, you cook, you visitor, you can cook. Yeah.
no, that you're your friend, that if you cook for your friend, make your friend feel at home.
Listen, you know your papa not too like to cooking. So today, me I promote you. So you go cook today, while me and my friend relax. Right?
Oh, so when you say my friend, are you a friend?
Yes, he's my friend.
Oh.
So
No, that
I'm a day after the listen to me, we do some work straight through. I work for interest, yeah, alright. You understand? So that's running part today. Tomorrow no, but she got there, you know. So when she there and she come about, she go cook some my time.
that you ask me now. When everyone they say that try to tell lie, but you lodge the check in some error up and down.
Are the people them ramp with that money, but me no want everybody know my business. You put on up your side, you know. Me no want up your so. Me no want, yeah, up your so.
But I mean I see up where you talk.
No, me mean like my levels up.
Oh, but
Yeah.
you say up best
Me a
friend,
trade. I'm a trade personnel. So trade personnel must project money. Yeah. I say that people now go turn trade people if no money there now.
Oh,
So we have to leave it up and go on.
So
Yeah.
that time you say the upper some that looking at the ceiling.
No, not in the ceiling, man. I mean like the level up here.
Oh, yeah, that level up
Yeah,
here,
so we don't want to look small like yeah, so.
Oh, so that level up here so and the Wi-Fi bill then a level here, so never reach the Wi-Fi
We
bill.
don't reach up
yet.
the alright.
Oh.
Me the yeah so and the Wi-Fi the up yeah so.
Oh, me understand.
But me the yeah so though. So I know me soon level up to it. Up the way I go.
Okay.
Yeah man. And if your friend asks about different house, yes, you probably have a house up a little bill.
You don't know
No, but she don't know. Listen up, you want people to talk good about your pop. You want your father name Bigger Road. Yes. Tell her say yeah man. My father have a lot of mansions up in there.
So daddy, you have to go look friend and tell friend like say I'm match.
You have to tell friends things to then spread the name around. You see, we got a strategy, you know. We're doing a way more get more work. You understand? We go get more work through it. Because she go word of mouth, go tell people, say, oh yeah, he is a good trade man because he might be the owner house up at the end. So just look for the biggest house pan the way it's enough in the shed. I'm fine and sure I say, yeah, that's my daddy house.
That's my daddy.
And he
house.
built it with his hands, he's alone doing it. So anyway, you know, you get a lot of work. People high demand. So if you get nobody through for your link cash on her mouth, you know some more money that for you go college.
Very well. I don't go get it. Very right, me finally come over boy, yeah. The same boy me there tell you. Me have one talk over here everything. Yeah, girl, she feels very bad. You with me, like I'm gonna go make her come over here. Hope you can link me tomorrow as well, you say.
Right?
Daddy, and you want to tell lie, daddy. I not upholding with you and your liar no.
Listen now.
You must not tell lie, you must talk with you. And that's why you're not going to find no woman who want you. Because you tell her, boy, you have big house up a hill. Who if you tell us big house up a hill make you not talk?
I don't matter what, let me attack. You understand?
And that's why I'm
So yeah, man tell the mother say me have 20 hours. And then she realized, by the time she realized she don't have you already. So what she go do about that's why she left here. Because she don't like poor life, she thinks I'm rich. But no worry yourself, we go rich when I do. We have to fake it until we make it.
Oh,
Yeah.
you shall fake it until you make it. I'm not faking
Yo.
anything.
I go tell you, any profession you go in, a majority of the profession them go require you to tell a lie. Yes, we're living in a world of lies.
Daddy, I don't know what tell like, you know, tell lie.
I don't love to tell lie, you know. If me have house up on the hill for 2 moon, I have to tell no lie about it because I say never ever true. Right? I don't love to tell lie situation that you're in. require for you to tell a lie. So if you're in a situation, you tell a lie.
Come here, wait to see you tomorrow. Girl, me have enough unfinished business to tell you. Me have enough things to tell you. Alright. Yeah, of course, girl. Food, everything there. Alright, no problem.
Okay, yeah, what you say?
Yeah, the daughter of a lion. So you shall do what the lions do. Alright?
Yeah. Hello. Well done, girl. Are good? Daddy.
Well, go on, daughter. The food eat good, the food eat good.
So, how your friend doing? She got one?
Yeah man, she gone up, she gone back home. Auntie.
So, Daddy. I when your friend all come here.
Just when your father want talk. You never hear me and her talk about that a while ago though.
No, I'm in my room. I'm going to hear that talk about.
No, we can't. No, you don't hear them story there. The story about that. Yeah, come do that on the TV. So we just come in the morning when we talk. So if TV they bounce loud, so I hope they never disturb it though. But some of the
No, man, that's alright.
yeah, me and her they talk something to hear about. Yeah.
Daddy, I ask one question now. So, how you meet your friend from?
You know what say? Funny enough, I was there now. Me I do some work out of the place, and she a walk past and she catch me eye. Just feel oh this a girl look like a somebody I could be friends with. So as I come now, I make some bomb. Do one of the famous style like. I saw me I stretch it out, you know. She not pay your father no mind. So my bill still and go and knock two and go and cut 2 pieces of board. Then me see she a come back. So me say, you know, so you can't turn 4 and throw salt in a pot. You step over to her and start. You know, start quote her. You know, so your father is a like me. See that?
A liar tell Daddy?
No. Me I show you say sealer. That seal the deal to say your father is a man when know for putting words together.
No, Daddy, a liar tell.
No, for true. So I go over to her and I start tell her some story. Roses are red, violets are blue. Look up in the sky. You see me and you. I give her them row after row, and then you know me and her exchange number. And then find out so we talk. Let's me talk and laugh now and then. See me on the phone. I see me talk too.
So Daddy, so you not plan for take things serious?
Well, me I give her things, you know. Me know if she take it serious, cause my time she a cry when she take it. Oh no.
What?
No, yeah, no, you don't have an argument. Yeah, man, yeah, don't have an argument too much.
Okay, so me want to know because if you not plan to take things serious, you know, you need to tell her say you don't own no big mansion.
No, we not tell her that. Maybe if you see one little brother come and I belly swell up so, yeah, we can't tell her that at time anything she want to do she do. But you never carry the cow go down in the pasture when he dry out and tell him say dry out before he reach on the pasture. When he go down there make him still look for the water there. You know, tell him say big old, you just tell him say river there, you know, tell him say when he reach halfway, you say why no river down there now? No, then we turn back. So you carry them to the full length. You give them the full length, the full strength, and then whatever come out tight, come out tight. When you go down there and think down there for drink, the cow drink it. Take it out. At least then get some water to drink.
Well, me I say Daddy, honesty is the key. Don't tell no lie. When push come to shove, I don't have nothing to show nor prove. God help your soul.
Me have you for sure though. Me say I said lie me use and take and get your man and see your yeah. And see that now you soon turn nurse, you know. As soon as you get the money to pay the thing, you go turn nurse.
So come here, say Daddy. Please to have the money.
Yeah man.
Please
my daughter
have
me work
the money.
Me I work on my daughter.
Make sure say you work pan it good.
Me get the money one day as me I come home with money
And
last.
then every time you come home money a lot. Why people ever they rob you so?
Me no know.
Think you
One
need
of
to
the
fix
week
up a problem them.
the money last. The next week gunman stick me up.
Oh.
Since I buy you the phone, I realize say you move jumpy. Careful.
No, no, jump. It's my phone. I make me smile like how your friend make you smile.
I want to get your college soon, you know, soon start out for you. Sorry for the delay.
Yes.
But I go sign it up for you, start out the money for you, and make you can go get your nursery.
Yes,
You
sir.
get your job. Cause time to come, you have to go mind your papa. Alright? When them a girl are done with your papa, you have to go mind him. Hello, boy. Champion. Champion.
Hello?
Hello.
Wagwan. Not me there, who this?
Xavier, man.
Mitchell. How do I get my number from?
Somebody make it from. But anyways, I'm that my call there, boy.
How do
I tell her, say, I'm serious, boy, you know, I get a piece of money, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, I get a piece of money, so I'm sure I'm serious now, I can give it and I do what I do.
Okay, but I was sending my account in for you to send it to that. I'm not if serious if the money come through. So I'm not if I lie, I tell.
Alright, send me.
Yeah, so otherwise you're alright though.
Yeah, me alright. As me get the money, I'm get the number, I say you first me a call.
Alright, I'm send it. I'm sending it. I'm sending it.
I send it. I get it. Put it in. I send it.
Yeah, send me safe. So alright, then later.
Alright.
When you get my number from? Oh, come call me, boy, your money like you take me for idiot. My backside. He said he wanted for show. Oh God, I'm carry him back. Oh God, he said he wanted for show. Hello?
Hello.
What going alright?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
You see, I said they wanted for show.
Yeah, man, I'm not stressed. I'm serious, man. I must send the money.
Oh. So where you get money from to send me?
You don't worry about that. You tell me so what do you tell me so I forgot get a job and do something construction and all that I do.
Alright, yeah, that's nice.
Motivation, I can't see the money and you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Alright, thanks for the money. So when you send more?
You know, I think, man, when that they run out, I say, I carry no man to buy 1, 2 coat and 1, 2 and raise start and go something.
Alright.
Yeah, man, just keep me posted, you know.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Backside, me get money now. So I want alright.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Me day I'm head of me just trust the word.
What am I now?
But to wish I if pay my father to give me money, my father not give me money.
What? Every time I say this, you pay your father and I give money. So your father now work?
One day my father look for me and tell me say I come with check. I check why I come with people rob him. I not personal check. Anybody can go cash out the check.
Let's sneeze up.
Ah God, I'm inside as an actor.
Yes.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Oh.
What kind of little thing that you do? But anyways, I was gonna say, so end it now.
No, it ain't got any reward. I tell you, say every time people have to deal with nothing. It's just that this ever happen, that ever happen, people rob him. He remember the money, he remember this, he remember that. The people around put the money on. Ray. I mean, not just the woman I talk to, you know. The woman
Then they say
talk to
money I go
me,
man if you talk to a woman.
When he say, the woman not get the money, the woman there with him genuinely from her heart.
I don't know about women or the people genuinely. You do it me. No, never mind.
Eh?
No, man.
Daddy, come hide. Daddy, come hide.
Kayla?
Run this head! Yes, Daddy!
What go on?
You there, you good?
Me forward, me take off a shoes like I think.
Alright.
and put on a slippers because I can't walk past the ground without a slippers. What go on, you good?
Yeah, I'm there.
How are you there?
Me and my shadow.
Oh, my friend, no come here.
No, come in see her.
Alright. Alright, so you cook.
No, Daddy, my head hurt me.
Things in there in the fridge, and you looking at the fridge?
Daddy, I never planned to cook. Your friend must can't cook because she been a come here. My head hurt me. I'm trying
Alright.
to pay and things to pay and then can't pay. My head kill me.
Listen, no worry yourself. Put stress one side.
The whole of us I feel like you want to drop off.
Well, nobody make you drop off.
Alright.
Pan Bridget say I have a piece of money to give me car. For when me done film work and I never finish pay me. I go touch back on the road and get the money in my hand this time. Put it in my pocket. And when I carry come land in your hand.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you go pay, right?
Right.
Alright.
Daddy, turn on that.
Wait. May I check on back? Wait a man. What go on my daughter?
Me there here, you good?
Yeah, mama, there I go and play some music and relax, you know?
Daddy, I come to you to talk to you about 2 reasons.
Talk to me, my daughter, because you know you're my daughter,
First
you know.
one, I want you to pay tuition because the people must have to start paying up on you now.
Me know, man. Me know what you say. You know, say, the people them give me a money. And what they when they give me a money, they write the money on one check. Me I come with the on the road, gunman sit me up. Me not want to scare you. That's why I never sent until you find what they are. Gunman just stick me up and I have to just give them a check. And where the check stay is a check where anybody can change.
Oh.
It's not a specific check. It's just a check anybody go change it. Can with the money. So I don't know how they know so me have a check for me or whatever. But anyway. Wanna take life? Not take nothing. But no worry yourself. Me say you go turn nurse.
God.
You
Daddy,
have to...
money for pay. The money not pay.
Yeah man, but tell them for hold on. Tell them for hold on for your slot. Cause as soon as the money drop, then go get the money. Just tell them for hold on for your slot.
Alright. Anyways, Daddy, enough of that. Your little friend now we have a come here. Me I tell you, me
She look nice. Huh? You think if you come to like you know?
Fear like that not really with me. I'm spirit just take her. She just look evil. Like she have this evil mindset. Not like her, Daddy. Beware her. She like she greedy and love money. The worst of a big house pan here use and catch him.
And you know, so I don't give her no money or nothing. I don't give her nothing at all. She just genuinely like love her father, you know.
Oh, I think of the money I give her.
No, cause see the whole of money I get robbed. I don't know how I'm sad, so. If her money she gone long time, man.
That's true still, but beware her. I'm not too trust her like that. Beware her.
Cause she tell me how she like you, she want you and I to go play and I say you and I. So me I say, but me know she don't want, she don't have enough money to carry out. So me I tell her, I say, yo, she can't carry out yet until me make her money and done play off your school things and thing before me can really do certain things.
Oh, I understand what you say.
Yeah man, cause she want to go way as far as with you.
Oh. Well, anyways, you know for that. So tell you that Daddy beware her and me I beg you do. Work hard for the money because we need the money and I end up pay the Wi-Fi bill.
Ah boy. Are you papa alone, you know? And me have to do my best. See me keep the light on. Yeah, so.
Alright, I'm grateful for that. I called mommy yesterday and the only thing she sent me at 2,000 and she had thought one bag of something on my head when I come work at a bar or something.
Yo, I can't mind certain things, you know. But anyway, your papa come through, you know. Regardless of how things are, you know, members say, count on your papa. Alright. Then I go and play my music. Go and go chill out. No worries. No put that on your brain, man.
Alright, Daddy.
You shall turn nurse.
Okay.
By the hook or the crook, you shall turn nurse. Because when your papa say nurse, you turn, and nurse, you turn. Alright. Nobody can hold it down.
If I was a chopper, make a lot of money. I woulda invest the money and not make no profit on it.
What go on, babes? I'm becoming a yard a while ago, I'm not see my daughter say no forward on the place. No, I'm not really have enough money for me, you know. It's a bridge, you know, owe me a money, he just give me a while ago. I say I go carry home, go deal it. Emergency. I can't give the money still. Me try make back the money tomorrow. How are you there? Cause cash me have it for me, you know. Me I carry come here. I'm drop off here, run your yard. Alright. My daughter!
Daddy!
My daughter!
Oh,
I said the word to me a while ago. I go check the virgin. Get the money from the virgin. So me a put the money in my pocket to carry come give pay tuition.
Tuition tomorrow.
So when me a come, listen to the story, man. When me a come now, is a boy stick me up with the pipe. Give me everything what you got out of your pocket. Me have to come so him to my pocket money gone. Then he say, run Rasta. See me a down the road. See me a down the road. I saw me have to run. Me say alright then. Look like them don't want you go. Go turn nurse. But you shall turn nurse. No matter how the devil a work, you shall turn nurse. Me no know. Them thief check now then rob me. Point blank. Me can't go back. One day for the said daughter. One day for the said boy will give me the money. Tell him send him bad man friend them come rob me.
Maybe your dad.
One day for go kick out somebody teeth. One day for fist out somebody teeth, my daughter. What for do?
No, they can't fix somebody teeth. They fix all the people teeth and tap back there. Me just happen me. We just can't.
Me say me. At first I see a gun ugly so.
I first.
The gun ugly a triangle. Me say the gun ugly. Me when he say run, he have to tell me two.
Daddy, you couldn't just put it in your pocket and come out back empty things in the money.
No, me say when me go, say when me nervous. Everything come out of your pocket. Everything.
God help your soul. God help us.
My daughter, me a relax, me all rest. Me a 4 hours after they run in there.
Father God, help me, God, oh God. Father God, help me. Wagwan. So glad I see you now.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah, man, no good, man, yo.
So, my sister, you send me a little something what they are.
Yeah, man, that's at least, man, until I say, when we see you, we have to get down to business.
But me use the money to pay some bills. Yeah.
Well, I done out.
Yeah, I use to pay them for some bills and I do want something. You understand? Life. Hard.
Anyways, there's always more where that come from, you know. Because all the things me are there, you know, I put on the look.
So you sure say I know look chum change, you just have to send me?
Let me show you my account.
Yeah, work now?
Let me show you my account now. I'm ready. Wait. See it now.
Oh.
You see we have money. You see me? That's just all look something for start off a look there.
Oh, I understand. So that means you can send me more then?
Yeah, I can send half of this, quarter of this. I just want to change see me again.
Oh, I have a tuition to deal with and then something there.
That's at least, man.
Yeah.
One of them let me see buy put on the road.
Oh, you plan to buy a car?
Yeah, I know. You have to have a little business, have a little backup business. Okay, I make money go 2 years.
So anyways, alright then. So as we said before, I say once I get a life on track, we can start talk.
Yeah.
So we can start talk now.
Just like that.
We can start on something. So you're not there with nobody?
No, single man. I look fun. I'm married to my money. But anyways.
You married to what?
My money.
Oh.
But we can't talk, you know, what is mine is yours.
Yes.
We're married to the money, to the bread.
What is yours is mine, what is mine is mine. Right.
Well, we don't want to know what is yours, but so anyways, what is mine is mine. But anyways, you go concern.
So we are talking now. I say You know, if you talk to nobody and sit down on the roadside and look the woman.
No, sir. You realize you're not on the roadside, I see you see me walking.
Oh, you break your gun now?
Yeah.
When I go walk, go up the road, over my yard, I go now.
Alright then, me see now look at something look more.
Yeah, later, thanks.
Alright.
Call mommy. Mommy, how you going? I call her to talk to you because I realized if any other day and I really show no interest in her to make go to nursing school. Because right now I look how Philly help me pay off the bills them and something. Mommy, you know how the mommy you just save up some money and send some money and not help me. Daddy tell me say he not have no money, the money this and the money that and work this and work that. I be excuse not give me for sound of my family member. Mommy no want to come work in a bar, mommy. Much everything. Mommy no want to work in a bar, mommy. Mommy no want to come in like you know, me no want to become no cruff. I don't want to feel proud of me. Just send a little money, man. I want to feel proud of me, man. Well, anything what you say, mommy, anything what you say. Anything what you have to say, you say. At your opinion and whatsoever. Well, I'm going to make it out with or without you. Alright. Mommy, $2,000 loan? $2,000 I can send? Alright, send me. Take it, buy something to eat. You good otherwise, though? Oh, alright. Look more. Yeah, me tell him for you.
Reaction!
Tell us you're going now.
No, some there.
Some
boy.
Some I say, from my tell a friend the other day, my father, if I deal with the tuition and he not deal with me, just stress out right now. No know what to do. Everything I go up and down.
And how much you do with that?
1 million.
Nice.
So I say if I could have pay half of the tuition.
If you pay half. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. See, wait. Is everything good down here, though?
Yeah, everything is great. Everything is fabulous.
Alright, that's wonderful. Alright, check if I get it.
Yeah.
That's
could
enough.
send some more. So, me tell you, I appreciate you do for me every little money I give to pay every little bill. I appreciate so much. You know, so I'm big girl and I can't really depend on my father anymore. So you. So I say I become a nurse and sit in me I have to go get married and settle down.
That not sound bad.
Yeah. So I say if I just work, come me and not bite you. So if I just work a little bit harder. I appreciate you for me. Like me appreciate me, I appreciate, but work a bit harder and see if I can get me so much so I can just go to school. Because I see here all I done and I don't reach there yet.
That's alright, we work on that then.
Yeah man, that's
We
alright.
will come on hard and make sure you get some.
Yeah, no, and I appreciate what you do for me, you know. I appreciate it so much. But just
We did it,
hustle
man.
it,
We
you know.
did it.
Alright, me can go back to the yard now before my father come here.
Alright then.
Later.
Yeah.
Come here. From morning, me dey wait on black and all now this a boy I can't call me. He come like a some styling or some scamming thing you. John no party. So I know good to trust people sometime, you know.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
I follow me take the answer phone, me just go hang up and ring you back, you know. Wagwan, from morning, me lay down wait for your call, you can't call me youth. But I found to deal with people with business, Parry. Parry, me and you they do business. Me have about $3.5 million for me already. $3.5 million. And you have me there, man, yeah, and I like, and I really say, I want a man, I not in a charge, me no want a man. Me not take a man pick the school money. How much money I have to give pick the figure school, and I take it just to give so me get my BMW, I know I can get my Benz youth. Wagwan fee car charge. Wagwan fee car youth.
Watch out, man. Just go and wall out a little bit more, man.
Wall out power. Wall out power. When I forget my money, I tell you for wall out forget my money, I rinse up my money can come here, So they tell me for wall out for my things in the youth.
Just go and build, man.
Build power, youth. Build power, youth. You can't call me. You need to call me and say, yo, I hear from the people, they just give me a bit, you call me. I there listen loud for your call, you can't call me nothing. Bad man, I ramp with my money in the charge. So what them a say? Can you tell me if you talk to them, you know what them a say?
Mama, I better tell me say the car drop off out of sea there, in the container.
No ramp with my money in the youth.
Mama, relax now. Remember, you know, I have more than one car in the container, you know. So I like say a few car alone. Yeah, bigger people than me for them car sink off out there too. Even me feel away right now, I remember say it's a backdoor deal, no insurance and really depends, and I like say we can't get it back.
Money no dead again, my money gone in the jail.
Mama, the money gone, you see me the money just gone, cause guess what now?
My $3.5 million just gone, so.
Yeah man,
You're crazy man. You better lift up another car, lift up another car. Lift up another car for my money.
Watch out and say the thing going on. You know, remember say you know, and you're alone losing, and I lose half of this thing too.
Where you lose half of? Which money you pay tonight?
Watch out man.
What money you put tonight? Bad man, listen to charge. Hear this yeah. Me there the man yard. He man have him money for send him pick the girl school. Me I'll repeat myself to show you. He man have the money to send him pick the girl school, to buy him pick the food, things and how much something you have. Me I take him man money. Just to get a car. Me even really want this little Rasta man here youth. And they say, oh, and great bad man. Me just want the money to get the car. Me can't believe so me get the money from the man and give you. And you go tell me say, me not get my car.
Watch out.
Even though me not get the car, me not get my money, me even get back half of my money, $3.5 million. You must have mad man. A bad way they are costing me years.
So we have to start all over again. So we have to send the next piece of money all over again and we have to do it back all over again. Remember, say it's like when the meat them come out from the container and you know sink off and I see them thing happen. So I have to just send back the next piece of money and we redo back everything again and get back our next car. Watch out, remember saying my fault, you know. We can't too complain because I'm not a full fault. So just send back our next money and we do it over again. Just call me and send the money come.
So I wish next week, yo, you know, I come off of the phone every day. So when I get the account of my money, account of the car, you link me back. Because I don't really know no chattings right now.
Daddy friend. What are you good?
Me there, what? I don't know if you're there, but you just come.
Yeah, I just come back. So I'm going for your car was sinking at the ocean.
I cannot carry you talk about.
I hear that man for that talk about car sinking at the ocean.
No, sir.
Then they need for your body must stop me upstairs.
I'm for you, boy. Where you talk about? Where you come about now?
No, cause
I tell you, you look a bit on prime and you look a bit on too force ripe. That with you now.
me force right?
Yes, you look a bit on too force ripe.
You look a bit and too lie. Me did I wonder about you watch in the ear. Make it up a recording stills.
What kind of record where you talk about?
When you talk about you know I'm father look Rasta boy and them.
So your father alone a Rasta?
Because everything on my phone you know.
Your father alone a Rasta?
My father alone a Rasta but him ya talk.
Oh, you know something
I feel money ya
take.
take.
Where your father name? Where your father name?
You mean about why name?
Why name?
Where mean about father name?
I ask you where your father name.
Father name in him
You
Jeremy.
hear me call your father name?
You never call him name.
So for your father, bring it a quote. Bring the voice note a quote and tell me if your father name in it.
Alright. Can you go like I don't catch you? I catch you know. I catch you panic and I go and show daddy. Hey, no you this. Look for yourself. Look for yourself. No you that.
Are your father alone a Rasta?
Wait till daddy come, yeah.
Are your father
you
alone a
Rasta? You gonna fly
No,
like
that's how
for your
you look
lashes,
for
them a
five
fly
self.
high. You tell them,
Go
wait till
for
daddy
the
come.
self.
Come on, first right. Who first right? I big enough. At least me not that thief, man.
Come out.
Who are you? Come on. I want to come out when daddy come. You can tell me if you come out. I not argue with you. You too big for me argue with you.
You look a force.
Stop it there, stop it there, stop it there.
You?
Stop talk.
Go on, that's all. Before I lock you out. I'll just look a bit enough. From myself, I come, I don't like a girl, you know. From I come, I don't like a girl. Watch me, I'm going to make them kidnap them off your ass. Watch me.
That warning boy, that girl there. But my force ripe. My force ripe? You're tough like a pumpkin, girl. Oh God. I can call all mommy too. Mommy, what mommy? Guess what happened? After all the time I think say daddy love me, daddy not love me, no mommy. Mommy? Daddy find one girlfriend, but you know label it and say girlfriend. He say he woman friend or him friend. So she come over here and live over here with him sometime. No often know say every time daddy tell me say about check out this, the money no come to it to pay tuition for go school and something. For go nursing school and something. No often know say daddy take him money give him woman. So the woman scam him. And I collect a whole of the money. Figure must say whatever Benz or whatever car. Yes, mommy, and the car sinking in the ocean. So, me did then I come forward, me here around the taxi. Me I said, no, sir. How much that taxi? So I record her. For valid evidence because she love. Yes, mommy, because she love to about say I like me. I tell her certain things on my video. Because I know something did fishy about her. She too young and one daddy. And the woman say, oh, daddy old and mommy right now daddy me I look for show daddy the footage. Because I go and tell daddy every little thing me I show daddy and I go and leave daddy here because daddy too disgusting. Because I say, look at me as in that and want the money to pay the tuition and they couldn't give me the money. Daddy take the money, give girl no one daddy. But a good thing me they have a little boyfriend, my little spooky do. Not too label it neither. They give me money. Yes, I hit me put together and save and I hit me go and use to pay me tuition and everything. I have to come on and used to give me because when ready used to give me it could hundreds them and millions them. So I have to go work with. Yeah. Alright then mommy, alright, I'm gonna call back later. Alright. Daddy! Daddy, oi!
What going?
I have a big surprise for you. But first I want to ask you a question.
You win the lotto? So you can surprise me.
So you say about the money now for the tuition or something?
Well, as you can see, what do you know me make so red? And I flash up the wall, the rain fall and wash off at this year. So the piece of money no come through because this year. So what you know? So I need to go and pencil back out to get back up and if I finish running the whole.
So for the entire for how much months now you get the money?
Yeah, me I get the money but the maga, me use to buy food, put on the internet, me give a little money in your pocket, me do this, me do that. Plus my friend from time to time she come help me same way. She no get nothing for me, she no get.
You surprised her daddy? I would that there.
Bunny dog.
Lift up one that carry for my money.
I'm trying to say the thing going on. You're not going to say, you know,
I didn't know that money here, daddy.
What is a piece of money? Listen, I'm charging.
I'm a friend attack. What's she do?
Listen.
But they are the money yard.
I'm sure na yard. Me know so run there.
I'll repeat myself to show you. Your man have the money to send him to go to school, to buy the food, things that want so I have to take him and money. Just forget a car. I even really want this and look at man and you can just say, oh, I'm great, bad man. I just want the money to get the car. I can't do it so I get the money for the man and give you.
How should I say that? I know me. Because I'm not great up, you know. Maybe whole, but I'm not great. Oh.
Hey. I mean, things you didn't love me. Yeah, tell me like you not get no money. I get the money.
So them a try play your part. I saw them a play your part.
But you're not try that they play you. I can't believe you. I highly disappointed in you.
Oh, she there? She run there now?
Yes, I left her around there.
Alright. Yeah, money can bail me, not true?
I don't got no money. When the money I have to pay my tuition.
You must have look money can bail me. Because something not go dead today. Something not for dead.
Oh.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, put it down to the ground. You know what I mean? So that movie, one of them movie there. So it's a lesson. So I hope somebody learned from it. You know what I mean? Well, I've been fighting a war from that time till this time, and some people don't see the war in a fight. But anyway, it have to be done. You know what I mean? So fighting for better. You know what I mean? So we want that movie business there come official one of the day there. You know what I mean? So we can't say it enough. But talk is cheap. You know what I mean? So that's why we have to do the work. You know what I mean? So anyway, I have a different ending differently. We have a music video. But we just menstrual. It's not really a music video, but you know I look a thing for the soundtrack. So tell me if you don't like it still. And tell me if you should push the song forward out in the world. You know what I mean? A long time not going to the music, you know. Tell me what you think. Let's go. Yeah, man. Hope everybody out there alright, you know. But me have some advice. I see that the music here, want to listen it keenly. It's a soundtrack for the next movie coming. You know what I mean? So the movie name Bad Investment. You know what I mean? Or Sad Investment. We soon figure it out, but you see the name come up still. But watch the music video in the meantime. It's not really a music video, it's just something I just flick up. But I want to listen to the words of the song. Alright? Alright, this one. As usual, as regular. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Some people out the world are wonder and say, nah, I'm broke again, do I know?
If I was a chopper and make a lot of money, I woulda invest my money, no girl can done me. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, I woulda invest money and I make nobody done me. It's time to change up the mentality. It's more than that what we see. This country run by overseas. We want a good life, the rich life. Me and my friend them for rich life. Masamosa, life, Masamosa. And this is life. We want live the sweetest life. Jump off in the pool now. When I'm play the fool now. And everything cool now. Listen me keenly. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, I woulda invest the money and not make nobody done it. Yeah. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, I woulda invest money and not make nobody done it. Yeah, you. Be wise now in this time. Be wise now in this time. Be wise now in this time. Gotta be wise now in this time. I used to have a lot of money in these hands, and I don't know where it ends. But if I ever get some money back in this hand, my lesson now that you learn. I get a lot of money in these hands, and I don't know where it ends. But if I ever get back some money in this hand, my lesson I will learn. If I was a chopper, make a lot of money, woulda invest it and make nobody never done it. But everything good though, life is sunny. Burn it down to the ground. Burn it down to the ground. Yeah, ladies, yeah.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to the life. Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know where you go? Cowboy barber shop. I want bar the right the same way so you can have a drink before you get your haircut, or have a drink after you do your haircut. You know what I mean? You see it on the screen, see the number there, book your date. Don't be late. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Westmoreland, Betheltown. You can't see the location, man. Right side of the post office. You know what I mean? Right there, so. You know the location. You can roll in. Support. Tell them some fire rats, you know. Is it? Yeah, man. Burn it down to the ground. Betheltown. Westmoreland.